Ang nagawa sa akin ng Discovery is talagang transformational.
And Discovery has the technology to release you from those baggages.
In Discovery, I was able to discover what I have to do.
Discovery Workshop, isa sa mga natutunan ko talaga is more of having the differentiation between the victim mindset and someone that is responsible.
This is the first time I have shared this. I just felt like I don't have a safe place. And I was able to release it yesterday. And I realized that it's okay to cry. Even if you are a leader, if you are a coach, a mentor.
Doon ko na-realize na kailangan mo maging wool. You need to be a wool person. Pag hindi ka wool, or if you have those extra baggage, siguro yun na rin mag-explain why you are behaving that rebel person.
So, doon lang po, yun po, napaka-galak ko po na nakatutuwa po ako at napakarami pa ng aking matututuhan.
Yung kahapon po, natuwa lang ako yung sinabi nila na mag-thank you ka lang. Kasi marami pala akong hindi nakikita kasi almost ilang taon na po na nagsama-sama kami, still kompleto po kami. Yun pala yung dapat kong pagpasalamatan.
Naisip ko, yung natutunan ko kahapon, kailangan mo i-release para gumahan yung pakiramdam mo.
If inside me, I realized na nasasaktan pala ako doon. And gusto ko sabihin, pagod na.
Kung i-improve yung sarili ko at i-guide siya, yung aking 5 months old baby niya, sa journey niya, maging ready siya.
So, yung time, walang bonding, gifts, wala rin nagbibigay.
All of I'm saying is very important to me and I should do it. Not because I'm in front of you talking about these things, but I need to do this not only for myself, but for my people, for my family, my friends, and to all of you who I considered friends now.
The moment that you say, yes, I am worthy, I am deserving, I am vulnerable, I trust, I matter. The moment that you say, yes, I am, ripple effect will happen. Now the work begins.
Two years ago, just like you, nandyan ako sa pwesto ninyo. And 2 years ago, that was just, we were ending the pandemic. For 5 months, I did not talk to anyone. Until na-realize ko, may nagbukas ng pinto, and my little bubble was shattered, and I started to feel emotions again.
Buti na lang, I got introduced to Discovery as well. Kasi the biggest thing that I got from Discovery was that, nung nandun ako sa pandemic, ako lang mag-isa, ang dami kong alam. So nandun ako sa Discovery dahil ang dami ko naman, alam ko na lahat ng yan. Ano nangyari? I was a watcher. E ngayong umaga ko lang na-realize, kaya pala my life isn't working.
When I first entered my own Discovery, sobrang devastated ako. I was million in debt, but yung pinakamalaking bagay is I was so broken-hearted because I got betrayed by my people. And walang-wala akong pera noon, and I can clearly remember na yung huling-huling pera ko is in-enroll namin ng Discovery. Buti na lang,
a lot of people feel broken, a lot of people feel unsafe already in the world, and therefore it's for us to help you heal your own wounds in making sure that we want to bring in love through transformation.
You were there and you picked me up when I fall. You have rescued me from my pain. You were strong and you give me strength to move on. Free me from my guilt and shame.
For some of you, you've been carrying this block for so long. And this block is your block of baggage. The baggage you've been carrying for so long.
You have washed me over and over again. You are making me new. Full of mercy, you are full of grace. You love, Lord, you are for me. You forgive, you forget, you heal all my regrets. Full of mercy, you are for me.
I'm so happy to be part for this discovery.
Sobrang saya ko. I attended Discovery. Discovery.
Discovery. Discovery.
Discovery.
Discovery.
Discovery. Discovery. Discovery.
Discovery.
Discovery.
Discovery.